In this video, I'll show you how to change the continue shopping link text on cart page in Shopify.theme. At first, log into your Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, then select three dots, and then click on edit code. Once the code editor loads, at top left corner, click on Explorer, and then select locales, and now look for the file called en.default.json. Let's open it, then press Ctrl F on keyboard, and then type continue shopping. In this example, continue_shopping is on line 40. Let's make the text change within double quotation marks. Let me change it from continue shopping to shop more products. Shop more products. And finally, don't forget to save the changes. Once the changes are saved, let's go back to the cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the link was successfully changed from continue shopping to shop more products. As always, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.